What if I show you the tricks on how you can keep using Grok to generate your images and videos, and also free alternative AI tools that you can use to keep creating content without having to break the bank? I will encourage you to watch this video to the end. Let's move to the tricks on first, the tricks on how you can use Grok AI to keep generating images and video. Now, the moment you open the Grok interface, you are going to have, and in sometimes it could show you something like this, right? And you're going to see try SuperGrok for free. And now say create videos. You now say edit image, right? Now, watch what is going to happen the moment I want to start creating something. Now I want to generate or I want to create maybe I want to edit this particular image here. So once I open up this image, for example, once I open up this image, watch what is going to happen. It's going to load, right? Let me just say something. Flip around. Let me just type something like flip around. Input error, right? You try again. So you can still use Grok for free. So just do this, all right? You don't need to try the Super Grok. This is how you can use Grok imaging. Now it has been able to flip, right? It has been able to flip. This is image. Now let's turn this into a video. All right, so let's generate it. Let's just animate it and see what is going to happen, whether Grok will allow me to animate. Beautiful. Automatically it brought you to this interface, right? That means that Grok can allow you to generate image, to edit image, but you cannot animate that image. Do you understand that? So if you cannot edit image and you cannot also generate video, please follow these steps. Let me show you how you can play around it and still use Grok. I love Grok and I will still recommend Grok for you. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is the moment you see this interface, even if you skip it and try again or use different emails, you want to use 10 emails, 20 emails, this will still pop up. So look at it. Say SuperGrok, try free for 3 days, generate stunning images and videos with Imagine 1.0, our best model yet. Now this model is the current and the latest model. If you've been seeing videos, oh my god, you will love it. And all you use Grok for free is to go ahead and start this. Wait, I know you're going to say I don't have money. You don't have to pay. Now remember, you are starting a 3-day free trial. Now pay attention to this part. Make sure make sure there is nothing in that card. Okay, you are just filling in the card so that Grok can allow you, like, you can pass this process. Okay, just fill in the card and let it remain there in your Play Store. Make sure there is nothing in the card. The moment you fill up everything, you are going to subscribe. So if you don't have the card, all right, if you want to add a different card, you can click and add card. Okay, when you have the add card, you click. Now the moment you click and save everything, you can do what? Subscribe. But before you subscribe, like I said, know that you are ready to use and generate as much images as possible. Please don't do it when you are not ready to generate, so that it will not be a waste. Remember, it's 3 days, and make sure when it is 3 days, you can unsubscribe, okay, and do the same process again whenever you want to generate images.
The first AI is Arena AI. Arena AI. So you're going to type in arena.ai, right? Then once you open up, you're going to sign in or sign up. When you come here, we have files here. You can upload images or PDF. If you can turn this one, you don't need it. It's not necessary, right? Now, this one generates images. This one you can generate videos. So we are going to generate video from here. So let's select this one. Paste your prompt. Go ahead and generate. Let's see the quality. We all know that Grok gives very high quality images and video, but this Arena AI gives you 2 options, okay, where you have to select from. So we are going to see the 2 options, how it works and which one we will select. So once it's done generating, go ahead and select the one that is for it. This is perfect. This is perfect. So let's play and see which one gives us what we are looking for. So you can play so that you can choose the one of your choice. So let's see. Awesome. Let's play the second one. Awesome. So you see, you can you can use this method to generate your video. So you can, like for example, you can take this one and you can download it here. You come here and download it, and boom, you go. Include your voice into the script. Use ChatGPT or this Arena to give you, so you can use this as number one AI that I will recommend for you. Let me show you the second AI tool that I will recommend. Right, One AI. So you're going to type in One AI, right? That is what it is. So you can choose anyone. So let's just choose, I've used it before, so let's select anyone. Now the same prompts that I use for this tutorial is what I'm going to use all through our testing, right? So after this video, go ahead and test the one that is suitable. Just go ahead and test the one that you feel you should, and use the one you can use, and keep creating your content. Awesome. The moment you open your One AI, this is the interface. So if you've not signed in, you sign in. It's not going to be like this. If you don't have an account, create an account. Every AI tool, you must create an account. So when you come here, you're going to see generate, and when you click this generate, you're going to see edit, effect, steering. You can always select the models you want, right? So just keep it at this 2.6, all right? And also the resolution, just keep it at 720 pixels. And of course, you can also as well change the orientation to either portrait, landscape, depending on what you want to produce. Do you understand? I actually used one before, right? So after doing all your settings, what you need to do is, of course, you are going to paste your prompt here. Let's see what is going to generate. So here you can add your audio if you have an audio downloaded into your system. So let me just pick any one and use, because I think I have one audio that I got. Let's pick any one for the purpose of this okay, let's pick this one. So we've uploaded our okay, let's play and see. You can trim it as well.
Most AI tools don't understand.
Alright, so let's just use it for the purpose of this tutorial. So once you upload it, the voice is uploaded already. So the next thing we are going to do right away is to generate. All right, now you are currently generating without credit. The process could be slower. So if you want to generate, of course, every time you log into one, they'll have free credits for you. So you can, you can earn daily credit. Look at it here. You can earn daily credit. So let me just check in so that I can use credit to fast forward this so I can see the result. All right, so I've earned 10 credits. So every time, every time you log in, make sure you claim that credit so I can keep creating. That is the beauty part of this. So let's see what it's going to generate. All right, you click where you have this signed and wait for it. So you see the same prompt, different production. So this is the image produced or the video produced, made using One AI. Let's play the sound.
Most AI tools don't understand instructions. So I gave this. Most AI tools don't.
Now, perfect. You see, this audio sound that I brought in is not the one made for this video. I'm just using it for the purpose of this tutorial. So you understand that you can as well bring in an audio sound and use it with your animation, like animated video, to produce a video. So go ahead and try it out. The next AI tool we are going to look into right now, you can use Clean AI to generate images, then take it to any animation, video animation platform like the ones I've shown you previously. So you see, it has generated us the prompt, so you can download it from here and take it to your animation tool, video animation tool, if your credit. So here you can use credits here. Some credits, you still have some credits, right? You can use them for your video, your image generation. But for your video generation requires higher credits. Do you understand? So you wouldn't want to go to that as angle. So let me know in the comment section which of the AI tool you'll be using moving forward. Don't give an excuse that you cannot afford it. Use this free AI tool and create that amazing channel, create that amazing content, and keep showing up. All right, so until then, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe.